am going to give you a quick program standing up to loosen you up. Welcome to Jamie G TV, the place to be for mind, body, and spiritual fabulousness. Here I offer tips and tricks to feel vital, sexy, and fit over 50. Let's get started on our mobility. Okay, standing feet hip distance apart. We're just going to take a nice deep breath up. Inhale. Oh, that feels good. Exhale. If you had a long day, this is going to feel great. We're going to do 3 of these, okay? And one more. Nice big stretch. You're going to reach to the sky. Now gently, abdominals in. Tilt back just a little bit. Okay, this is going to be quick. We're going to reach up. You won't even have to get on the floor. Little stretches just to warm you up a little bit. We're going to work our way down the body, okay? So now we go to the side, little turns. Feel the stretch in the upper back. Down, up, just to warm the legs just a little, get a little blood flow going. Good. And we tap the leg on in. Here we go. 1, 2, only 8 times. This is easy, I promise. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we're here, hip distance apart, hands behind us, clasped, and we reach back. Okay, so now, arms forward, little wrist. If you've been working on that computer all day, oh, cracking away. Little, like flicking off water off your fingertips, and the arms go down. Okay, so the shoulders are down. Now, ready? We're gonna drop the chin to the chest. We come up, okay? Look to the side. Take your time, center, slightly up, be gentle on the way up. Okay, repeat again, drop down, look in the opposite direction, and up. Half circles, okay, so the chin drops to the chest, shoulders are down. Roll to the side, and down, roll to the side. It might be grinding, mine's grinding a little, that's life. And if you want to, be very, very gentle. You can go around, but when you're on the way back, just be gentle with the cervical spine up here and the opposite way. Okay, so I said we're working down the body, right? So here comes the shoulders. You go back just 4 times. Now forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good, now watch, the arm comes behind us. 4 times. 2, 3, and 4. Other way. Grind, crack, that happens. 3 and 4. Now, you're gonna take the arm over the head. We're gonna hold. Big, reach up and over we hold, right? This hand comes over to the wrist. Give a little pull. Good, circle twice. 1 and 2. Again, this is for mobility, shoulder mobility. And now the other side. Feel the waist stretch, nice big stretch. Arm comes over. Hold. 1 and 2. You doing okay? I think you are. All right. Arms out, a little bit for the waist. It's gonna feel good. Let's do 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms down. Now, hand comes forward, arm comes over. We stretch, we look in the opposite direction. So this shoulder, you wanna make sure it's down. This is gonna feel great, I promise. Okay, now the other way, right? The arm comes up, cross over, and we look. And we come down. All right, now both hands come out. All right, we're gonna do a little rotation. Try to keep your thumbs facing up as far as you can comfortably. Come back down. Same thing on the other side. And why are we doing all this? We're doing all this to get those little kinks out, uncomfortableness of the day, and to work on our posture just a little bit. Our thumbs face up. We come up and we go back 8 times. This is gonna feel a little bit, okay? But it's good for you. 7 and 8. Okay, enough with the arms, right? Bending the knees a little bit, hips, right, left. So we're loosening up our lower back. Nice and easy, have some fun. Good. Now front back, we tuck under and back. You're gonna feel that lower back stretch out. Okay, we're gonna do this 8 times, that's 3. We're gonna pick up the pace, last 4 for 5, 6, and 7. And we circle, right? Circle around. Take your time with this. 2, 3, 4. We'll do 8, 5, 6, 7. Hip mobility is really important. Other way. 2, 3. We're almost done. Okay, hang in there. We're almost done. I promise. 7 and 8. Now I'm going to turn to the side for you. Okay, turn to the side. This leg comes back. My knees are bent. This arm comes up. Now watch. You're going to lift up to come back. Kind of like a little ballerina smile, right? This is stretching this whole hip flexor right through here. Good. Come back to center. Now, bending the leg, tucking under, squeezing the glutes. Right here, we're going to get a stretch down the leg. This hand comes here. We reach forward. This is really a great stretch for you. Okay, now heel down. Heel presses back, bending the front leg, feeling the calf stretch. Rock it back, so rock it back, hamstring stretch. Now last week, okay, the last video I gave you, toe down, round your back, come up. Same thing other side. I did back stretches on the floor. So if you want to get on the floor, I have them in another video. But this is for not being on the floor, right? This is for, you're just standing up midday, just want to feel better. Sitting on the couch, computer in your lap, feeling a little bit miserable, want to feel better. This is what this is for. Okay, this is quick, efficient. Good, down you go. Now, that heel drives down, right? Calf stretch. Hopefully you're going out and walking like at least 20, 30 minutes a day during this whole COVID thing. Okay, we switch back. Ooh, hear that? That was my hip cracking, okay? So look, we have to do this stuff. Back we go. Get over 50, you gotta work on mobility. Toe down, around your back, come up. Okay, ready? Big breath up. Almost there. We're just gonna do the feet just a little, watch. Up and down through the feet, that's all. We're almost done, I swear, less than a minute. Okay, now separate a little, we go around and the other way, yeah? And around and the other way. And if you wanna be fancy, I don't wanna do this outside too much, but just do the top of the toe. Okay, big breath. Let it out. One more time. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today on Jamie G TV. Wasn't that easy? And you should feel a lot better.